Sprouts! Today we're counting sports equipment. Let's count and see how many there are. How many footballs do you see? There are 4 footballs. How many soccer balls do you see? There is 1 soccer ball. How many baseballs do you see? There are 9 baseballs. How many hockey pucks do you see? There are 6 hockey pucks. How many 8 balls do you see? There are 8 8-balls. How many tennis balls do you see? There are 2 tennis balls. How many bowling balls do you see? There are 10 bowling balls. How many golf balls do you see? There are 7 golf balls. How many basketballs do you see? There are 5 basketballs. How many volleyballs do you see? There are 3 volleyballs. Good job, Sprouts. See you next time.